So if you need a very cheap, compact device with a 16:9 aspect ratio display, Ulefone has just announced the Note 22, so you may want to check it out. It's a device that's expected to cost about, I don't know, maybe $80 or even $70. Anyway, the device has basic specs. It's a cheap phone. It has a 5-inch mini display, a 3000 mAh battery. It has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. It supports virtual RAM expansion, by the way. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack, ships with the Android 16 Go version. It has face unlock support. It comes with a free TPU case. The device is also powered by the Unisoc T7100 chipset or T7100 chipset, which is just enough for this cheap phone. And in the camera department, the device features a 2MP main rear camera and a 0.3MP front facing camera, which is why I said that if you're looking for a very cheap compact device that you could basically just buy for your kids, for them to get them started about how the Android operating system works, then this device is just perfect for you. Or maybe if you need, let's say, a secondary device that you could use for basic tasks like phone calls, this device actually makes sense since it's very, very cheap. And of course, it's available in 3 colorways, including Cosmic Orange, Meteorite Black, and Icy Blue. So these are the details of the Note 22 from Ulefone. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. I don't know when the device would be available for sale, by the way, but it's most likely going to launch very soon. Anyway, that's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.